Okay, so now the last new material for the course is called Quantifier Negation. And we're going to see how to rewrite a universal quantifier as an existential, or an existential as a universal. Now you're going to think, how could you do that? Universal says everything, existential says something. How can one be written as the other? Well, let's think about it. If everything has f, then it can't be true that there is something that doesn't have it. This and this are equivalent, truth functionally equivalent. Wherever you see this, you can replace it by that, and wherever you see this, you can replace it by that. So the quantifier negation rules are like the middle 10 rules from sentence logic. They tell you how to rewrite one with in a truth functionally equivalent way. Similarly, if something has f, then it can't be true that everything doesn't have it. Now let's see if we have squiggles. If it's not true that something has f, then it must be true that everything doesn't have it. And if something doesn't have f, then it can't be true that everything has it. So, if everything has f is true, then it's not the case that something doesn't have it. If something has f is true, then it can't be the case that everything doesn't have it. If nothing has f, then everything doesn't have f. And if there's something that has not f, then it's not the case that everything has f. Now let me ask a question, and this is for a free quiz. But this requires speed, and then we'll be finished. Okay. When I want to say I have a sentence, something has f. What is the true negation of something has f? Number one or number two?
Two.
Only one.
I can't get up. I can't get up. It's not fair.
That's an S.
Okay, now here is what I mean.
That's probably
Here is what I mean by. Here is what I mean by the true negation. When this is true, the other one is false. If something is not a true negation, both can be true. So if this is the true negation of that, both can't be true. If this is the true negation of that, both can't be true. So let's look at number 2 first. If something has f is true, must it always be false that something doesn't have f?
Yeah.
No.
Shit. You're welcome.
Let's take an example. Let f mean female. So let's assume the universe is the people in this room. Is there someone in this room that is a female?
Yeah.
True or false?
Yes.
True. Is there someone in the room not a female? True. They can both be true together. However, this says there's someone in the room who's a female. This says no one in the room is a female. Both cannot be true together. This is the true negation of that. And that's it.